No, I'm pushing it up this stream. There we go. This should be. I should be able to get out of here. Surely to God.
Surely to God.
Yeah,
You're still on the wrong side.
Wait, there's a shark in there.
Oh,
Trying to find out.
no.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
It's not Fortnite. What the fuck do you think would happen?
Just bouncing, man.
Bart Simpson.
Yeah, let's get in here. Let's go Yuffie.
This is the Youthy.
Yeah. Can't. I fucking can't. I can't do it. Just put Bob Simpson down, alright.
Oh fuck, are you up?
Yeah, I'm dead.
What if we wake up and there's a shark?
We wake up inside of a big pot and the shark's just staring fucking like a spoon. Big spoon.
No, I mean, like, he doesn't have arms.
Does that mean you shit yourself if you're on like rubber dingy rapids?
Rugged dingy rapids, yeah. Oh, fuck off. Look at him.
What?
He's
Who?
got his fucking rocks.
What, is he still doing that shit?
Yeah, he's still...
Oh, cheers, pal.
Right, off you go, get more rocks. Dig it. Oh shit.
Oh, okay, I'm dead.
Back up, son.
Ow. Dead again.
Get back up, son.
Dead again. And before he starts swinging.
Get back up, son.
Oh, fuck off, man.
Back up, son. Can you get us up?
Back up, son.
Right, he's down us again. Down again. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for fuck's sake, I tried to go for him.
Ah! Oh, I'm fucking now. I'm down. I hate this.
Fucking hell. We're doing this shit backwards, man. We just got like the end game armor, I swear.
Oh. Skinwalkers.
Yeah.
Ow. Oh, skinwalkers. No, leave us alone.
There's a skin wanker down here. He's gonna wank on your skin. Oh my fucking god. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's 4 of the cunts. Oh, this is new.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck. They're gonna wank. Did you get through?
No.
Are you dead?
No, I'm like stuck to the wall. They got a wank.
They're gonna wank. Can you break through? I don't think they can.
No, I'm like stuck to the wall until they leave.
What the fuck is this?
No, did you put the orb down? No. Oh! Ah!
Got this fucking half a raspberry in my hand. What the fuck is this? Fucking missed him.
Swing.
Swing and a miss.
Oh, I found parts of like a bike or something. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god.
Monster.
No. How the fuck do I get here? There's another one over here if you want one. Zach.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
Which cave?
Oh fucking hell! Don't hit something too fast.
I'm keeping this fucking thing.
Oh, aye. Oh fucking hell! Oh fucking hell, man! How many times have you hit something?
I haven't hit anything. I'm just watching you fall. I'm like following you from behind, watching you fall in the stuff. Fucking hell,
I've lost it.
Fucking hell, man. Just take it slow.
I am now.
I watched it go fucking head first into a tree again instantly.
Fucking hell, man. How many times have you gone flying off it?
Genuinely not once, because I'm just watching you.
Not once, alright.
You're getting outclassed in every way, yeah, mate.
What do you mean?
Never mind. You're getting outclassed in every way.
Are you outclassing us in every way? You just went past us.
Mate.
Have you got log? Oh, did you come through the window? Fuck off.
Someone call for a log delivery. Someone call for a log delivery. Someone call. Fuck's get stuck on the same bit again. Someone call for a log delivery. Someone call for a log delivery. There you go.
No, you didn't crash. That was boring.
Yeah, it was a bit shit. Just fucking tossed it in the grass.
Oh
'cause I
my
couldn't
god,
get a score
Paul,
done.
fucking hell, you're a machine.
Run fast for your logs and fast for your Kelvin.
You ready for a boss fight, mate? What's up? Mate? Mate, are you watching?
No.
Oh, I'm not in the cutscene, I'm just stood next to all these guys.
Oh wait, I can see. Yeah.
Mate.
What's up with it? I don't remember this. There's another one.
Oh, he died. I just one hit him. Gives you skin.
My name is Edwin. I made the mimic.
My name is David. David, I want some ice cream. Ice cream. My name is David.
Never heard the mimic song before, man.
Fuck off. Is he swearing?
Yeah. Unnecessary, really, if you think about it, but you know.
Yeah.
It gets better, it's good.
It does not get better. At least this is making the drive a bit more interesting.
My name is David. David, I want some ice cream.
Good at.
He's wasted that much time, I'm gonna kill yous all.
I'm just gonna have no bullets left.
It doesn't fucking die like, does it? Jeez.
I like went to revive her and he just shoved us into a corner and I couldn't get out.
Lol.
Weapon man.
Lol.
Stupid little monster.
I made the mimic.
I made the mimic.
Get off him! Get off him!
Since we
I
set
think I
off.
barely made the mimic.
What? You just went the mimic. There's a dude holding there's a fucking cannibal holding a big fucking motor. Dude, what are you doing? Got a fucking engine in his hand.
What?
Fucking flying after him. Relax. It's fucking big chungus. Fuck off. It's buried. Right, where did Bing Chungus? Right.
That's not even Swing Simpsons, it's just Swingsons.
Swingsons. Right, in we fucking gone. I've just gone back up, mate. Stupid. They call us not a tart. Not a tart.
Stupid tart.
Stupid tart. Stupid tart. Shut up. It's not funny.
Patty and Simpson.
Patty and Simpson, sorry mate.
Patty and Sigma.
Shut up. Patty and Sigma. Wait, is that it? Oh yeah.
Oh, I just got killed by a monster man. Monster mash.
He's just knocked us on us. Right, I think it's dead. I think it's... Yeah, I'm taking her fucking skin. Do you reckon that was
Well-
Patty or Sigma?
That was definitely a Sigma, that one.
Go swimming, Sigma.
Swimson.
Patty and Swigma. Alright.
Batty and Smegma.
Patty and Smigma. Swigma. Right. A fucking cat with Patty and Sigma. I'm fucking crying.
Are we near the end? Like, are we actually?
Yeah.
I lied.
Zach,
Yeah.
tell it.
Is that Kelvin? You killed Kelvin. Wait. We're gonna get the worst ending. I was about to say we needed both of those alive to get the good ending.
Alright, load the game back up, load the game back up.
Would you load the game back up? Right. Come on, man. Come on. Right. Try again.
I saw him appear on my screen and I got fucking gamer rage and I had to shoot him. Can't help this. Right?
Can't help it, right?
You get a wet willy suck job for
Oh, okay.
I think what made that funny was just the lack of reaction to it, wasn't it? Just saying shit and then getting no reaction.
I barely heard. I was reading something at the same time, so. Some more ammo.
Hong Shong Yong, like Squid Game. Squid Game.
What?
It's the fucking, you know, see the Red Dead Redemption thing where he says the name of somebody from Squid Game.
Nah.
There you go, Kao So Young, Squid Game.
Right.
It's good.
Squid Game.
Kao So Young, Squid Game, Squid Game, Kao So Young. Squid Game. Ow, oh, 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 stop it. Kao So Young, Squid Game, Squid Game.
Come on, yo, Squid Game. Squid Game. Oh, it's Black Ops 1.5.
Oh, it is and all. Is that fucking scientist gonna run around the corner and grab your
Imagine.
weapon off you?
Oh.
Just runs over and steals your shotgun out your arm.
Fuck off. Okay, I've got an idea, one sec. Okay, yeah. I found a bone.
What was your idea? What does he give you bones?
Is he fireproof?
Watch him not. I was gonna say, watch him not be able to burn.
Oh no, he burns alright. Kelvin, are you burning, mate? Can you pick me up?
I'm dead. Right, so we've done that for nothing because he can't fucking.
Yeah. Yeah, mate, can I borrow a cup of sugar? I'm not sure.
Yeah, what the fuck's happened to it?
You ran it over and she exploded. Yeah, back up.
What is it, Lord?
What's going on, man? Did you look up at the sky there? Put that bone away. Lewis to your left.
Fucking wank this game, honestly.
It's nearly over. zombie suit's pissing itself.
What the fuck is that?
So he's driving around.
Fucking bendy legs here. Fuck off. Jesus Christ.
Do we even do anything here, or do we just like... It's fucking weird, this bit. Oh, where did he go? Oh.
What? Fucking hell, man.
I think he's dead. He's dead. Alright, that worked.
Joke, this is horrendous. This is just bad.
Yeah. Wait, what even is this? Oh no, not him.
Fucking bendy legs.
This was supposed to fix me.
Who is that?
It's making me worse.
Alright, mate.
Like, how hard is it to just make a game where you crash land on an island and there's cannibals there? Like, why does it have to have all this fucking convoluted shit?
Yeah. Oh wait, what? Okay. We're cutting to this now. Why did it just cut like that? What the fuck?
What looking?
Mr. Fantastic! Fantastic!
Wait, I think I just killed it. Lewis, I killed it.
Oh, we can leave.
Oh, you can leave or you can grab the backpack and stay. I think we should grab the backpack and stay. Do you want to leave?
Get us out of here.
Alright. Let's go.